Not all the kundans which are being sold as kundans in the market are actual kundans. So you need to know which ones are the real ones and which ones are the fake ones. Hello. Today we are going to be talking about how to choose the right kind of kundans for your jewelry. There are various type of kundans which are available in the market, but when you go out to choose your jewelry, you have to choose the right ones. So let's see how we can differentiate between many types of kundans available in the market.
When buying kundans, how many of you get confused as to which ones to buy? Because the shopkeeper is going to show you 10 different type of pieces with 10 different prices. So here I am going to help you to identify the different kind of kundans which are available in the market and how to choose from the various types which are laid out in front of you. As you can see, I have laid out 8 different kind of kundan strings in front of you. This is to show you that there are various kind of kundans which are available in the market and you will get to see lots of them. I will tell you how to identify each kundan and what price should they be having. There are some which are actual kundans and there are some which are not at all kundans, but they will be sold to you as kundans. So let's go ahead and see what prices should we give for which kind of kundans and which are the real ones and which are the fake ones.
For all those who have joined me today for the first time, I am Varuni Mahajan from Firefly Blinks and I run an online jewelry studio called Varuni's through my Facebook page. The link is given in the description box below. If you like the content I am posting and if you like to see me here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.
Number 1 is the interlinked chain which I am showing to you here. These will be sold to you as kundans. As you can see, these are pasted on round boxes and the boxes are linked together. These are actually not kundans. These are very cheap quality pasted stickers on top of kundan like boxes. The second one is the interlinked crystal chain. This will be sold to you as separate pieces and also as a structured piece like this one. Even this is not a kundan chain. These are the crystal pieces which are interlinked and they will also be sold to you as kundans. Coming over to the third one. These are very pretty, but they are not kundans. They are polki. They are artificial polki and as you can see, they are not made in boxes. They do not have any meena at the back and they have crystals and cut glass embedded on them. These have meena on the top, but they look very different from the actual kundans which I am going to show you in a moment. So these 3 kundans which we just saw, these are not kundans. Now coming over to the fourth one, this is actually a kundan, but this is the cheapest quality which is available in the market. They are pasted on top of a mold of a jewelry piece like stickers and it's a very light piece and the mold is made up of a very cheap metal and they will be sold to you in about 250, 300 for a set or maybe 150 for a single piece of jewelry. I always recommend not to buy this, but if you are looking for some fake jewelry for a very short period of time, then you can go for this. If you don't have a very big budget, then these are the cheapest quality available in the market. Now these 2 lines, the 5th sample in my hand, the square and the round kundans, these are the actual kundans and if you find these in the market, you should pick them. These are the cheapest quality of actual kundans in artificial jewelry which are available and as you can see, the boxes have small holes through which the interlinking can be done. The kundans are average quality, the metal used here is average, thus the pricing is lower. These would be around in 3 figures to 4 figures, starting of 4 figures. Even the square ones are nice, but they are the cheapest quality available in the market. The sets would be around starting from 800 to 1500. So now coming over to the next one, number 6. These are the better quality kundans. As you can see, the sparkle is much more. They are box shaped. The Meena quality is much more. There is more precision. The finishing is much better. The gold color is near to the original. The kundans used here are clear glass, but again the metal is better than the previous, but not as good. So these would be ranging around 2000 2500. Coming over to the 7th one, this is almost the best quality available in the market. This looks very real. The quality of the kundans, the glass use is much better, the best available in the market. The glasses are cut by hand. The kundan boxes are properly finished. They are interlinked. Also, I would like to add here that if you purchase a molded set of kundan, it will cost much cheaper as they are machine made. These are handmade kundans. All these kundans are crafted by hand separately, so they are more expensive and they look pretty as they have a very good fall. Coming over to the last one, as you can see, the sparkle is much higher as compared to the previous ones. The finishing is immaculate. There is Meena at the back. As you can see, the boxes are very nicely finished. They are the closest which are available in the market to the real. They look very real, and these are very costly. Each kundan would cost around 200 to 250 per piece, and since these are very big ones, they would be around 300 per piece. So if you are getting these kind of kundans in the market, you would go for them. If you are looking for a very high quality artificial jewelry in kundans, you should go for these. In my jewelry studio, I use only the last 4 type of kundans, as I call them the real kundans. The first 4 kundans are not the real kundans, and I don't use them.
Today we saw the different types of kundans available in the market, and now we know how to differentiate each one of them separately and what to pay for each one of them. Please look out for the new videos and new content every week on Thursdays and Sundays.